gonna be the first start of Tomei exhaust that it took over 2 months. I just did a whole bunch of work to my car, and so this is the first time we're gonna get to hear it. I got you guys recording right there and right here, and yeah, stock cats, regular Y pipe, and 3.16 inch Tomei. G35, baby, let's go. Rev up. All right. Let's hope this just starts right up. I still got lights in the car. That's a good start. Woo. Five, four, three, two. This engine hasn't been started in 2 months, so. It's so deep. That's nice. It's so nice. I'm talking to everyone on live stream, so I'm not just talking, my bad. They got this running too. Yeah. I got condensation on the end of the tip, so I'm gonna assume that it's warm. Yeah, I'm gonna rev it, I think. How long have I been running? Sounds pretty warm. Let's go. Maybe a small blip? That I have a reaction or whatnot, but so I'm really glad that you can see it from this angle, right? It sounds so good. I need to hear it from your angle, quite frankly. Yeah, this sounds great. I'm so happy right now. It's gonna get louder. This is just the start. This one. so now I actually do have some sort of a reaction for like, you know, normal audience, normal YouTube audience who's not tuning into my live streams. Maybe you should check out the live stream. There's a live stream on this one. Make sure you're subscribed if you are not. If you are not, I don't even know how you got here, but make sure you're subscribed. We've got lots coming up, and yeah, hit us up if you need anything done to your car. Yeah, I'm gonna blip this thing again. This is like, I'm so happy. Is this still recording? Yeah, and that's still recording. Let's go. I love this car. I love it. People are gonna hate me so bad. I'm gonna draw so much hate with this car, watch. It's gonna be super duper clean, so maybe I won't actually draw any hate. Yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. You guys are awesome.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video. We'll see you next time.
Like and subscribe, Mills Garage. What's up? Woo!